Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Efua. In today's video, we are making homemade Brukina with a twist. This Brukina is creamy, quick and so easy to follow. Let's get started. Wash your millets very well and soak it in the fridge for about 2 to 3 days. Add the soaked millet to a saucepan and add some water. Boil until soft. That should take about 30 to 45 minutes. Next, add some salt and sugar to taste. Stir and leave it to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, we'll leave it to cool completely. Moving on, we'll add some unsweetened yogurt to a bowl. Add some evaporated milk and stir until well combined. Next, add the millet to the yogurt mixture and stir until well combined. Guys, can you see how simple this recipe is? And it is just like Burkina, so delicious. With this recipe, you don't have to grind the millet and steam it. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this Burkina recipe. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments as well. If you enjoyed this recipe, then check out the yogurt and Burkina recipes. The links are in the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.